Okay, another tool in this part is corner tool. It's for creating any corner for your shapes. For example, simple shape here with a pen tool, simple polygony shape here. You can come and then select corner tool. It's automatically going to a tool like node tool. Then you can select your nodes, your points. Then first you have to go to the corner type. It's you can always, like other tools, change the fill and strokes, and here you have to choose what type of the corner do you want, or which part. Rounded, and after that it gives you a red handle. With click and drag it, you can change the radius of that, or you can manually change the radius or type any number that you want here. You are not limited to this handle. Then another corner like this, or like this. Nice. You can change the corner with these handles. And after you like that, you can bake it and it create a point for you. Or also you can add a corner here. You can, as you can see, this is a shape tool. It's not the curve. Go to the corner, select that, and then, as you can see, you cannot use this because this is an parametric shape. You have to come back, select it, convert it to the curve, then go to the corner tool. It's work with just curve tools. Then they're active and you can corner your object. These shapes are parametric because you have to you can come back and change the settings. You have to convert them to the two curves that you can use this corner tool. That's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.